There is no single universal framework for the 21st century skills. A number of framework has been proposed over the period of time. Now, we will discuss some important frameworks, global implementations that have been taken for the promotion of 21st century skills in education.
Now, we will discuss some important framework, global initiative, and components that have been taken for the promotion of 21st century skills in education. The Partnership for 21st Century Skills, commonly known as P21. This is an American national organization that influences the promotion of 21st century skills worldwide in education. This organization includes partnership among the business leaders, educationists, government leaders, and proposed a framework for the 21st century learning. They identified some core competencies and skills that are essential for the success in 21st century life or at workplace. P21 framework includes holistic view with the blend of core subjects, means mastery in all the core subject is essential for all the students with the skill sets. It includes life and career skills, learning and innovation skills, that is 4Cs, and information and media and technology skills. This framework also provides support system for the standard and assessments, curriculum and instructions, professional development for teachers, and learning environment for the better implementation of the framework. P21 has been incorporated into a larger organization known as Battle for Kids. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, commonly known as OECD, projected a program for international student assessment has included 21st century skills and competencies for the new millennium learner in OECD countries. It contains three major dimensions for the 21st century skills that includes information, communication, ethics, and social impact. This organization included creative problem solving in 2012, collaboration problem solving in 2015, and global competencies in 2018. According to OECD Education 2020 project develops the future ready education for all. The assessment and teaching of 21st century skills known as ATC 21. This project was a research that held in the collaboration with the University of Melbourne. It mainly separates the skill into the four areas. First, way of thinking. It includes creativity and innovation, critical thinking, problem solving, decision making, learning to learn, and metacognition. Second, way of working that addresses communication, collaboration, or teamwork. Third, tools for working that includes information literacy, information and communication technology literacy. Fourth is way of living in the world that has citizenship, local and global, life and career, personal and social responsibility, including cultural awareness and competencies. The Southeast Asia Primary Learning Metrics administered a regional assessment in 2019 to assess foundational skill and domain of global citizenship. The Latin American Laboratory for Assessment of Quality of Education in Latin America includes a module in 2019 for 6th grade students first time. In India, New Education Policy 2020 is looking for the best practice in the school to prepare the students according to the requirement of 21st century. Today, when education is affected by changing society due to globalization, technology advancement, industrial revolution 4.0 and COVID-19 pandemic, this policy emphasizes on the teacher's need on firm understanding of 21st century and their ability to impart their skill to the students and enable them to face the challenging of the world and make them ready for their future. Now we will discuss the components of 21st century skills. On the basis of development of 21st century skills, according to the CBSE manual, 21st century broadly consists of three main skills. First is learning skill, second one is literary skills, and third one is life skills. Now, in this course, we will discuss in detail learning and innovation skills, that are 4 C's. Now we will explain this: creative thinking skill, critical thinking skill, collaboration skill, and communication skill.